Starting off my baby shower glam today with MAC Cosmetics Radiant Serum Foundation. I absolutely love how this foundation looks on my skin, gives it such a radiant and glowy look. And then I'm going in with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in light medium. And I'm just going to place this and let it sit for a little bit, and then I'm going to blend it in. And I'm also going to bronze my face with this Makeup Forever palette. And then I'm using a lighter concealer to just highlight my under eyes. And I'm going in with this liquid blush from Rare Beauty. It's Bliss and Hope mixed together, and such a pretty color. It came out so nice. I'm setting all this in with my Charlotte Tilbury setting spray, and then going in with the setting powder. And then I'm using Huda Beauty setting powder just to give that under eye highlight that I really want. And then I'm going to go ahead and put some mascara on my lashes. This is the MAC Stack. And then some blush from Hourglass, and also this other blush that I kind of ordered from a UK brand, and it looks so pretty. And some highlight from MAC just on my cheeks and on my Cupid's bow. And going in with this lip liner from Rare Beauty. This is in the shade Wise, and it was such a pretty color. Absolutely love this lip combo. I'm going in with a liquid blush here and just kind of blending that lip liner with that blush, and it turned out to be the most perfect color. And just putting on my jewelry right now, and Masuda already did my hair. So pretty. I absolutely love how this look came out, and I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. See you in my next one.